In 2024, the beauty and grooming industry remains robust, providing a solid foundation for individuals pursuing a career as a hairdresser. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Industry growth. The demand for beauty and grooming services is consistent, driven by people's desire to look and feel their best. Trends in hairstyles, coloring techniques, and grooming practices continue to evolve, ensuring a steady flow of clients seeking professional assistance. 2. Career opportunities. Hairdressing offers various career paths, including working in salons, spas, or even freelancing. You can specialize in cutting, styling, coloring, or other niche areas within the industry. Additionally, opportunities for advancement, such as becoming a salon manager or opening your own salon, exist for those with experience and entrepreneurial spirit. 3. Education and training. Formal education, such as attending cosmetology school or completing an apprenticeship, can provide essential skills and knowledge. Stay updated on the latest techniques and technologies in hairdressing through continuous education and workshops to remain competitive in the field. For creativity and expression, hairdressing is an artistic profession, allowing you to express your creativity through various styles and trends. Building a strong portfolio showcasing your work can attract clients and set you apart from competitors. 5. Client relationships. Building strong relationships with clients is crucial for success. Effective communication, understanding clients' preferences, and providing personalized services contribute to client satisfaction and loyalty. 6. Online presence. In the digital age, establishing an online presence is vital. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your work, engage with potential clients, and stay connected with industry trends. Positive online reviews and testimonials can significantly impact your reputation. 7. Adaptability. The beauty industry is dynamic, with trends evolving rapidly. Stay adaptable by attending trade shows, following industry influencers, and being open to learning new techniques. This adaptability ensures you can meet the diverse needs and preferences of your clientele.